Hi again, it's Talita here from the Learner Observer, and today I'm going to take you around my kitchen to show you a very small change that I'm making that is making such a huge impact. Okay, so what am I changing? Well, I'm changing out the hardware, and I've been making a lot of small changes in the kitchen that are really starting to make me fall in love with it again. And the reason I'm making these changes is because when I made these design decisions the first time around 3 years ago, and we were sort of rushing through this whole process, I settled for things that I didn't truly love. So this is now the final step, the last thing that we need to change out before I think I'm done in here. But don't quote me on that. And husband, if you're watching, just don't. Okay, don't listen to this because you know that other things are gonna come up. Truly, when I kind of settled for this hardware that's in here, it was never the right look that I wanted. It was never the right shape, and really it was never even totally the right color. I chose it because we've always had touches of gold in here, and so I thought these would be beautiful, and I love that contrast with the black cabinetry and the gold hardware, but I'm really ready for a touch of something that's a little bit more contemporary, and that's just gonna be tone on tone. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you what that's gonna look like. So this is the hardware I'm gonna be using. It's great because it can actually fit 2 different sizes. So you can see there are 4 holes in the hardware. So if you have pre-existing hardware like myself and you're changing into new ones, this line will actually allow you to replace it with a different size if you needed to, because it can sort of cover up where the those original holes were, which is really nice. So 2 reasons I'm switching out this hardware. The first is because I don't love the shape of the existing hardware. I just am not in love with the look of it. And the second thing is, because we have so many drawers in here and these handles are installed horizontally, the fact that they have those little tabs on either end that kind of stick out means that my pockets, my shirts, my apron if I'm ever wearing one, anything basically that is loose as I'm walking around the kitchen will get caught in those. And maybe this is just a me problem and nobody else has ever had this problem before. Maybe I walk way too close to my own kitchen cabinets, but this seems to happen a lot with me and it is so annoying. So I'm really ready to not have that happen anymore. Okay, I just switched the first one and I wanted to show you the difference in the 2 profiles and what a huge difference this is gonna make just for how all of the doors and drawers look. And I'm so excited. I'm so excited to have these on everything now.